Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, we will show how to use some of the advanced features of Adamo. Let's get started. After you click the Adaptation Software button, the user interface window will appear. Open the folder in Windows Explorer, which contains the images you want to process. Make sure that the images are named consistently throughout all the folders. Here, we have named the images in numerals to maintain consistency and for ease of use. This will make it easier to define the imaging order. The image selection input box requires you to input the order in which you want the images to be processed. Example, here we want the image number 2 to be processed first, followed by the image number 3 as second. Then the image number 5 at third and the image number 7 at fourth. In order to do that, input the values as 2-1 followed by a comma. Then, 3-2 again followed by a comma. Similarly, we will input 5-3 to process the image number 5 at third and then 7-4 to process the image number 7 at fourth. Now, the *5 indicates that the image which will be processed fifth needs to be a detailed shot. So, the name of the image which needs to be processed as a detailed shot goes into a separate box. You can find the box on the top right-hand corner of the window. It is named as Image to use for detail shot. Enter the image name there. Here, we want the image number 9 as a detailed shot. So, we have entered 9. Then, enter the value of percentage crop that you want from each side. The box can be found right below the detailed shot value box. We have chosen 10% as per the industry standard. But, you can put any value you want. Then, select the preset for which you want the images to be processed. For example, here we have chosen Snapdeal. Then, click on the Add to List button. You can create multiple lists for various presets. You can also change the imaging order for each list by changing the values in the image selection input box. For example, here we have changed the complete order and have created a separate list for the preset of pattern. You can check the imaging order for each list under the Images to Keep column. Once you are done with creating the lists, click the Start Convert button. Select the destination where you want the files to be saved. Select OK. A pop-up window will appear asking for the confirmation. Click Yes. Once the confirmation is given, you will be able to find different folders according to your presets at the destination you selected. The overall progress bar shows the status and number of the images that have been processed. Once the process is complete, a pop-up window will indicate the total time taken to process the images. Open any folder and you will find the images sorted according to the values you had input. Let's check the Snapdeal folder. For Snapdeal, we wanted the image number 2 to be processed first. As you can see, the image number 2 is placed as image number 1 in the processed folder. Similarly, you can match the processed images with the order that you had input. Here, you can also see the detailed shot of the image number 9 as image number 5 in the processed folder. Let's check the pattern folder. You can see that the images are processed according to the order that we had input. The detailed shot of the image number 9 is at fourth, as per the order defined for the pattern preset. You can view all the images by grouping them together. You will notice that all the images are processed according to your needs. It took just 81.746 seconds to process 322 images. Now that's what we call being productive. There is more to this software. Watch our next video.